We will discuss about binary search. Actually, binary search starts by testing the data in the element at the middle of the array. So, to determine if the target is in the first or the second half of the list. So, binary search is a searching technique which is used to search whether a particular element is found or not in the given list. So, when compared with sequential or linear search, binary search is following divide and conquer method. It is following divide and conquer method. So, here what we are doing is we are dividing the list into number of partitions. We are dividing the list into number of partitions. So, how it is possible means with the help of mid. So, we are calculating the mid cell, mid value of the given list. So, it can be calculated by using the formula mid equal to begin plus end by 2. Means by getting the index of starting cell and index of ending cell. For example, if I am having the elements like this, from 4, 8, 12, 16, 22, 30. The index numbers are 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So here begin will become 0 and end will become 5. 0 plus 5 by 2. 5 by 2 means 2.5, but we'll take it as a 2 only. So integer part only we'll consider. So now what we are doing is here second cell, this will become the middle element. This will become the middle element. So here what we are doing is the searching can be done in half part only. You no need to search the entire array. You no need to search the entire list. We no need to search the entire elements which is available on list. So we can search up to half of the part only. So here how it is happening? Why we are not supposed to search the remaining elements? Why we are searching half of the part only? Because binary search can apply only if the list is ordered list. So when you are applying binary search to a particular list, that list should be in sorting order. Then only you can apply binary search. So if elements are not in sorting order, even though if someone asks to apply binary search for this one, then first of all you need to sort the elements. Then after you can apply binary search. Otherwise binary search doesn't work for unsorted elements. So you should keep in mind that is the important point. So binary search apply only for sorted arrays. Okay. So it is working the principle of divide and conquer technology. Okay. So that's why we are saying that binary search is one of the fastest searching algorithm. Why? Because binary search can apply only for sorted arrays, not for normal elements. So if the elements are in sorting order, then we can easily search the element whether it is found or not. So with the help of calculating mid value, we can find. How we are going to find? Assume it, now I am having the element up to 12. Sorry, 4, 8, 12, 6, 22, 30 is there. I want to search whether 22 is available or not in the list. So simply what we are doing is we are calculating first the middle value. So in this list middle is 0 plus 5 by 2 means 5 by 2 means 2. So this second cell will be pointed to mid. And now what we are doing is we'll check whether the searched element means 22 is it available on left hand side or right hand side based on the mid. If mid value is greater than the searched element and the key element, we call it as a key element also. If the mid value is greater than the key value, then we can search at left hand side. If the key value or mid value is less than the key value, then we can search on right hand side. When you go for this example, so key is 22, mid element is 12. So 22, is it greater than 11, 12, is it greater than 22? No. 12, is it greater than 22? No. Then we need to search in right hand side only. So here only we need to search. So it may be part of either 16, 22, 30. And we don't need to search this one. We'll keep it outside. You don't need to bother about these elements 4, 18, 12. So now what we'll do is, again we apply divide and conquer technology. So it is working on recursion process. It is working, binary search is working on recursion process. Again we'll apply. So now this will become begin. So 3 will become begin and 5 will become end. 3 plus 5 means 8. 8 by 2 means 4. So fourth cell will become middle. Fourth cell will become middle. Again we'll check whether is it equal to. Yes, then we found it, will come out. If not, then we'll need to check is it less than or greater than. So if mid element is less than the key, then go with right hand side. If mid element is less than the key, if the mid element is greater than the key, then go with left hand side. Less than right hand side. So it will happen. So this is about binary search. So you should keep in mind that binary search, if you are applying binary search, the elements should be in sorting order. Then only we can apply. So we go with one example. Here we have one array which contains these elements 3, 10, 15, 20, 35, 40, 60. And I want to search 15, element 15. Is it found or not? So similarly, what I did last example, here also we do same thing. We calculate the middle, begin plus n by 2 means 0 plus 6 by 2 will get 3. Here we are checking whether the mid element a of 3 is it equal to 20. No. Then again begin, is it less than end? We need to check begin, is it less than end? Yes. So we go with next iteration. So next iteration, again we need to check that if a of mid is a of third cell, we are having 20. So is it greater than 15? Yes. Then what we do, end equal to mid minus 1 means it is available on left hand side. That's why we are moving end to left side. End equal to mid minus 1, that is 2. And begin as usual 0 only. I will calculate middle, begin plus n by 2 means 0 plus 2 by 2 means 1. So first cell we need to check it. Here a of mid means a of 1 equal to 10. Is it equal to 15? No, not equal to. And we need to check whether begin is less than or equal to n. So if begin reached the end or above end, we say that element not found. So now it is not equal, then we go for another iteration. So a of mid equal to 10 less than 15. So we can take begin equal to mid plus 1. If it is less than, begin equal to mid plus 1. If it is greater than, then end equal to mid minus 1. We will take that one. So begin equal to mid plus 1. 1 plus 1, 2. Whereas end remain changed, not changed. The end will be same as usual. Earlier what we are having, that only. So mid equal to begin plus end by 2. 2 plus 2 by 2 means 2. Second cell we are checking. So a of mid means a of second cell is equal to 15. So we found the element and will go outside. If not, then same if process will repeat. So this is about binary search. And here advantages are, so it will be very fast. When compared with linear search, it is very fast. And it is applicable for large amount of data also. Okay. So disadvantage is it is having recursive process and it is using more memory. And also we can say that so elements should be in sorting order. So this is an algorithm of binary search. Here the list is elements, last means last cell, target which element you are going to search, and location. So for example, if I want to check this one, so assume it I want to check these elements, and the target is I want to go with 12. 12 is my target. So loop equal to begin, is it less than or equal to n? Yes, 0 less than or equal to 6. Set mid equal to begin plus n by 2. So 0 plus 6 by 2 means 3. 3 will be the middle. 3 will be the middle. If target is greater than list of mid, target is 12. 12 is it greater than list of mid? List of 3. List of 3 is 16. 12 is it greater than 16? No. Then it comes to else part. So if target is less than list of mid, so target is having 12. Is it less than 16? Yes. Then what we do? Look in lower half. We look into lower half, means set end to mid minus 1. So now end will become mid minus 1, means 3 minus 1, 2. So again process will continue. Loop begin less than or equal to n. Yes. Set mid equal to begin plus n by 2. 0 plus 2 by 2. 0 plus 2 by 2 means 0 plus 2 by 2 means 1 only. So first element become mid. So first element become mid. It is having 8. So target is 12. Is it greater than 8? Yes. So look in upper half, next half. Set begin to mid plus 1. So begin will become mid plus 1. So 1 plus 1, 2. So end is also 2. Now begin to end is also 2. So again we are repeating. Begin, is it less than or equal to n? Yes. Mid equal to begin plus n by 2. 2 plus 2 by 2. 4 by 2 means 2 only. Mid is 2. So it comes to here. Found. We get found. Why? Because it is equal to 12 is equal to 12. That's why it comes to this part, and we'll take it as a found, and we'll end the binary search loop. So this is about binary search. Okay.